How to add outline to an image in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Canva in any one of your web browser, or if you have the application, simply open it. Choose your picture as a new project. After that, go to Effect from your left hand side menu and choose the option of Background Remover. Make sure this option will only be available if you are a premium member. Then after in Effects again, scroll down and go to Shadow and choose Glow Effect. Manage the size and transparency. And after that, as you can see, now the outline has been added in your image. So that's it. That is how easily you can add an outline to an image in Canva. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.